In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change artwork for non-Steam games. By the end, you'll know how to add a non-Steam game to your library and personalize the way it looks, so your collection feels consistent and uniquely yours. This takes about 5 minutes, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open the Steam app and log in. Make sure you're fully signed in so the changes you make are saved to your account. If you're returning after a while, give Steam a second to finish syncing and updating your library. Head over to your library. This is where all your games live, and it's where your non-Steam game will appear once we add it. If you've got a large collection, you can use the search bar to find it faster later. Now let's add the non-Steam game. At the bottom left of Steam, click Add a Game, then choose Add a non-Steam game. In the window that appears, click Browse to open your file explorer. Navigate to the folder where the game is installed, often inside Program Files or Program Files x86. Look for the executable file for the game, the one with the .exe extension. Select it and click Add Selected Programs. You should now see the game listed in your Steam library. Next, let's adjust its properties so it looks and launches exactly how you want. Right-click the newly added game and select Properties. Under the Shortcut tab, you can change the game's name to something clean and recognizable. Double-check the target field to ensure it points to the correct executable. If needed, update it. You can also change the game icon by clicking the current icon and choosing a new image from your computer. Pick something clear and high quality for the best look. When you're done, close the Properties window. To set a custom background, right-click the game's banner on its library page and choose Set Custom Background. Select an image file from your computer and confirm. A widescreen image tends to fit best and makes the page feel polished. Finally, let's verify everything is applied. Click View at the top of Steam and select Library to refresh. Right-click the game, choose Manage, then set Custom Artwork to confirm the artwork is in place or update it if you like. Your personalized artwork should now be visible throughout your library. That's it, you've successfully customized artwork for a non-Steam game. Repeat these steps for any other titles you want to personalize. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.